Hi viewers, today I'm making beef bone soup. I had it with homemade bread. Please check the recipe for the bread in this channel. The ingredients are beef bones. I got these ones from Woolworths. Cabbage, carrot, garam masala. I love the aroma and the mix of spices in there. Garlic, ginger, black pepper, salt, canned tomato and onion, butter beans without the liquid, beef stock. I also love adding something from my garden. This is the baby celery. Throw your bones into a casserole and add water. Add your salt right away because it might not absorb into the bones later. Once the bones are cooked somewhat in a close pot, you can now add garam masala. The rest of the seasoning you'll do once the meat is cooked. I meant bones. They're somewhat cooked now and it's safer to add the rest of your seasoning. It won't have too long to cook now. At this point you can throw your chopped cabbage and carrot, just half of it. Leave the other half for later. This half is for the soup. The other half that you throw later is for the crunch and color. Now you may add your beef stock. Make sure it goes underneath your bones, not above. You don't want them to be washed now that they're nicely fried. Also add your celery. At this point, when you do close your pot, you don't close it tight because the meat around your bones is nicely browned. You don't want it to be washed even with the steam. And you're gonna keep on adding a little bit of water when it's needed. And now that the soup, carrot and cabbage is well cooked, we can throw in the tomato and onion and fry it just a little bit before we can start adding the crunchy carrot and cabbage. Cook cabbage and carrot for a very short time in a semi-close pot. Then add butter beans. Make sure to drain away all the liquid. Cook your soup semi-closed just for a short while until it's cooked like that. And then at that point you can add water, just enough to cook your soup to the consistency that you want. Voila! Now you can enjoy your soup with that bread. Remember to check the recipe for that bread. Please subscribe.